So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to catch spike or trade the regular candle using price action. Alright, so this is how I personally do it. Alright, first of all, I will analyze the market from the higher time frame. Alright, so I will start from the 4-hour time frame on this one. Right, so here on the 4-hour time frame, I can see that the market is in an uptrend currently. Right, the current trend of the market is an uptrend. So after identifying the trend, right, I will move to the lower time frame, all right, which is the 1-hour time frame. Right, so here on the 4-hour time frame, I'll try to mark out the support and resistance zone. So here I'll mark out the support and resistance zone. So here there is a support and resistance zone that I've seen price tested multiple times. All right, so you can see that here there was a bounce back, price bounce here again, and then it break through, right, retest, went up a little, came. All right, so you can see that price is currently struggling with this zone right here, and I can also spot another support and resistance zone above here. Right, there's a support and resistance zone here currently. So after identifying this, right, what I will do is that I'll move to the 30-minute time frame. All right, I'll move down to the 30-minute time frame. So here on the 30-minute time frame, what I will do is that I'll just mark out the zone so that I'll have a better understanding of what the market is doing. Right, so after marking out the zone, right, after marking out the zone like this, I will then now step to the 15-minute time frame to see what price is doing there. Right, so here on the 15-minute time frame, right, here on the 15-minute time frame, what I will do is that I will adjust this trend, the support and resistance zone here, right, to match up with price correctly. Right, so here on the 15-minute time frame, right, what price is currently doing now is heading down. So as you can see, price is currently heading down right now. All right, so there is a support, a minor support and resistance zone right here. The price might bounce off. Right, I can spot a minor support and resistance zone here. The price may bounce from. Right, so is either price bounce from this one, but this support and resistance zone, I won't be taking any entry from there. Right, so here is what I will do. I will step down to the 5-minute time frame. So here you can see it's either I will allow price to get down here, right, I'll allow price to get down to the zone here, then look for buy entry. Right, since the overall trend is an uptrend, right, so I'll only be looking for buy entry. Plus I don't like going against spike. Like, I don't like trading against spike. So here's what I will do in order to get a good result. I'll draw a trend line here again. Right, so this is what will happen whenever there is a spike, and it breaks through this. Right, that is going to be an entry confirmation for me. All right, I'm going to take this entry. Any opportunity that is going to the upside, I'll be taking it. Right, so if there is a spike and it breaks through that trend line there, I'll buy from there, and then my stop loss is going to be below the most recent structure the price made. Right, so that is how I'll be approaching this. All right, so this is how I've view. This is my own personal view of the market. Right, so I don't know your own opinion, but this is how I am currently seeing the market. So what I will do now is to just wait for a spike to break above, and then I will not wait for the retest. I will just enter immediately. Then my stop loss will be somewhere below, and then my target is going to be above this zone. Let me check the 15-minute, 30-minute. Right, my target is going to be the next support and resistance zone. Right, it might be above somewhere here. Right, but that is going to be my next target. Right, so all I have to do now is to just wait and see what the market will be doing. Right, So this is how I personally analyze the market before taking my entry. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Right, so if you are a new viewer, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a valuable content like this, you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewers, I want to thank you for your support. Alright, so that is all for this video. Silver out.